Oh, ma'am, ano ba yan? You're already sweet 60. Sana, paano ba yan, na-file nyo na ba yung, dual citizenship nyo? Kasi nga, aside from being Filipino citizen, senior citizen na rin kayo. Joke lang yun, ma'am, joke. Happy birthday nga pala. Sana mas marami pa kayo, pati ang mga bata na nangangailangan.
Kagaya namin.
Ma'am, happy birthday.
Hello ma'am, ayan, dumating pa ako galing Dubai para lang mag-wish kayo ng happy birthday ma'am. Tsaka more birthdays to come. Tapos nagpapasalamat ulit ako dun sa mga supers na binibigay mo sa amin ma'am, lalo na dun sa dalawang estudyante namin. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa po. And good luck sa lahat. And more blessings.
Alright.
Hello, Nori! Happy birthday! Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. You will be happy. Okay, I hope you have many more birthdays to come. And we hope you will enjoy today because today is the beginning of your Senior Citizens Club. Okay, hi!
Okay. Hello, Mami Nori. Happy birthday. On behalf of the teachers here at Fairfield School, we want to send our greetings and keep on inspiring people with whatever you do. And we wish you vibrant life and happy birthday. That's all.
Please.
Happy birthday, Mami Nori.
Happy birthday.
Oh, Mami, I love you. Happy birthday.
Ano din, ma'am? What? Bakit ganun?